Assalamualaikum student. Today we discuss the numerical question that is related to the waves topic. In this question we find the what are the wavelength of a television station which transmit vision on 500 megahertz and sound on 505 megahertz respectively. The speed of electromagnetic wave has 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. So here we find the two wavelength. Lambda 1 frequency is 500 megahertz and lambda 2 that is frequency is 505 megahertz and speed is given 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. So first we find the lambda 1 that is equal to V over F1 and lambda 2 that is equal to V over F2. So here we put the value. The value of V is 3 into 10 to the power 8. Our value of F is 500 into 10 to the power 6 megahertz, so is equal to 10 to the power 6. So lambda 1 is equal to 0.6 meter. Similarly, we find the lambda 2. We know the value of the velocity that is 3 into 10 to the power 8 and F2 that is the 505 into 10 to the power 6. So lambda 2 is equal to 0.59 meter. That is the value of the lambda 2. Now we solve the second numerical that is the a person on the seashore observed that 8 waves reach the shore in 1 minute. Here the waves that value is given 48 waves reach on the shore in 1 minute. Time is given 1 minute and 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. If the wavelength of the wave is 10 meter. So here we write wavelength of the wave is 10 meter. Find the velocity of the wave. So first we find the frequency of the wave, that is the number of waves per second. So here the number of wave that is 40 and second is 60 second. So frequency is equal to 0.8 hertz. Now we find the frequency. Now we find the velocity, that is formula is V is equal to F into lambda. So here F is 0.8 and lambda is 10. So velocity is equal to 8 meter per second. Now we discuss the third numerical. In a third numerical, we find the in a ripple tank 500 waves passes to a certain point in 10 seconds. If the speed of the wave is 3.5 meter per second, find the wavelength of the wave. So here the waves is given 500, time is 10 seconds. If the speed of the wave is 3.5 meter per second, find the wavelength of the wave. So here the frequency that is equal to number of waves per time. Number of wave that is the 500, time is given 10 seconds. So frequency is equal to 50 hertz. Now we can find the wavelength of the wave, that is the lambda is equal to V over F. V that is given 3.5 meter per second and frequency is 50 hertz. So lambda is equal to 0.07 meter. That is the wavelength of the wave that produced in the ripple tank.